Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites quickly. Make sure your device is on the latest iOS and you're signed into the App Store. Once done, go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Assistive Touch, and inspect the current state. You're about to force a fresh initialization, so toggle Assistive Touch off, wait 5-10 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears simple glitches. If the icon still fails to appear, keep the Settings page open, because you'll perform targeted resets next. Now you proceed to deeper fixes. First, reset any custom gestures and restore the top-level menu to defaults so no corrupt entry blocks the UI. Then, restart your device to flush temporary caches. This often resolves invisible button issues. Make sure the App Store and iOS have no pending updates because mismatched builds can affect accessibility services. Once the phone boots, re-enable Assistive Touch and rebuild only the gestures and menu items you need, so the feature initializes clean. Finish by validating Assistive Touch across several apps, including the App Store, to ensure the floating button appears and responds. If problems persist, back up your device and perform Reset All settings. This preserves data while restoring system defaults that can fix stubborn conflicts. Make sure to re-enable accessibility options after the reset. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle visual accessibility options like reduce transparency or increase contrast, because display rendering settings sometimes hide the circle. Adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.